Hello friends, welcome back. If you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. I have an easy 4-row knitting pattern to share with you. Stitches have to be taken in the multiple of 3 plus 4. So I have taken 3 6 18 plus 4 22 stitches and have worked 2 rows of knit. Starting off with the first row, the edge stitch is slipped off. After that we work a purl. So that's done. Now yarn backwards. From here starts the repeat pattern. Slip 1 stitch. After that, keeping the yarn in the back, we are going to work 2 number of knit. So this is the repeat pattern. That's the edge stitch. After that a purl and then 3 stitches. That is what we are going to repeat. Keeping the yarn at the back, slip 1 stitch and work 2 number of knit. Slip 1 stitch purlwise and work 2 number of knit. So this is the repeat pattern for the first row. Slip 1 stitch, work 2 number of knit. Again slip 1 stitch, 2 number of knit. Let's slip 1 stitch and work 2 number of knit, 1 and 2. So that's done. Finally 2 stitches left. Yarn forward, a purl to balance the pattern, yarn backwards. The edge stitch is going to be a knit. So the first row ends here. Moving on to the second row of the pattern, the edge stitch is slipped off. Yarn backwards, a knit. Now from here starts the repeat pattern. Yarn forward, repeat pattern starts from here. 2 number of purl, 1 and 2, and slip 1 stitch. Slip the slipped stitch purlwise. So let's repeat. 2 number of purl, 1 and 2, and slip the stitch which was earlier slipped. Now again 2 number of purl and slip 1 stitch. That's the repeat pattern for the second row. 2 number of purl, 1 and 2, and slip the stitch into the right needle. Again 2 number of purl, slip the stitch into the right needle. I am working the second row, 2 number of purl and slip the stitch into the right needle. Finally 2 stitches left. Yarn backwards. It's going to be a knit to balance the pattern. Yarn forward. The edge stitch is going to be a purl. So the second row ends here. Moving on to the third row of the pattern, the edge stitch is slipped off. Yarn forward, a purl. Now from here starts the repeat pattern. Yarn backwards. From here starts the repeat pattern. A knit, yarn forward, slip the 2 stitches purlwise. Again yarn backwards. From here our repeat pattern has started. Yarn backwards, a knit, yarn forward, slip the 2 stitches purlwise. Yarn backwards, a knit, yarn forward, slip the 2 stitches purlwise. Yarn backwards, a knit, yarn forward, slip the 2 stitches purlwise. This is the third row and this is just a 4-row knitting pattern, perfect for beginners. Yarn backwards. Let's repeat the pattern. A knit, yarn forward, slip the 2 stitches into the right needle without working. Yarn backwards, a knit, yarn forward, slip the 2 stitches into the right needle without working. That's a final set. Finally 2 stitches left. 1 is going to be purl, yarn backwards. The edge stitch is going to be a knit. So the third row ends here. Moving on to the fourth row of the pattern, the edge stitch is slipped off. After that we are going to purl all across. This is the fourth row of the pattern. Now I would like to repeat, this is a 4-row knitting pattern. Stitches have to be taken in the multiple of 3 plus 4. So I have taken 3 6 18 plus 4 22 stitches and have worked 2 rows of knit before starting off the pattern. And here I am working the 4th row of the pattern, which is just to purl all across. Now this is a beautiful pattern, perfect for beginners. You can use it in sweaters, cardigans, pullovers, jackets, caps, socks, anything. And here our 4th row comes to an end. After completing the 4 rows of the pattern, our first set of pattern is done, and this is how it looks, although it is not very much visible here because I have just worked one set of pattern. Once you keep repeating the pattern, it is going to look just wonderful. So thank you my dear friends for staying till the end. If you have found the video useful, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members, and if you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, be safe, be happy, and it's bye bye for today.